Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset setting of Opera GX browser or how to restore their original defaults. It's very simple, very easy. Let's get started. First open the Opera browser and after that you need to click on the gear icon, which is the settings. Click on that and after that you need to scroll down slowly and after that you will see there is an advanced option. You just need to click on that and again scroll down and here you can see that at the bottom of the page restore setting to their original defaults, and here you need to click on the arrow and here you will see that the reset browser settings. You need to click on the reset and now your setting is default now. So this way you can easily turn the default settings. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.